guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share a haul with you guys. It is an HnM accessories haul. I'm going to show you all the accessories that are from HnM that I have. Now I've seen a lot of people saying in their haul videos that they haven't shopped much. It is not much to show. It is a mini haul, but I'm not gonna say anything of that sort as I think it is more than enough for me. There are a lot of accessories. For the very first time I have so many accessories at the same time, so it is definitely too much for me. Also, just giving you a little brief about this haul, all of these things were picked up by my sister from Hungary, Europe. You will find some weird currency on all the price tags, so just letting you know. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with earrings. Now the first pair of earrings that I have are these yellowish, mustardish and black earrings. I think they're really nice, very simple and classy at the same time. Now as I was saying, you will find like a weird currency. So here it is, 250 FT, which is Hungarian forint. Now there is a red sticker, so this is the sale price, and obviously she got this at this price. Otherwise the original price is written at the back, which I cannot understand, but just showing you. Now this 250 Hungarian forint. Now 1 Hungarian forint I just checked is 0.23 Indian rupees, and 0.23 into 250, it is 57.5. Are you kidding me? I thought everything is at least above rupees 100, but it is not. It is just for rupees 57.5, 58 or even 60. It is like so cheap. Itna to I mean ready market mein bhi nahi milta. I usually shop accessories from ready market, but this is so cheap and branded. I don't think India mein kahin pe bhi you will find this cheap earrings from this brand. So this is like a steal. Now I'm even more excited to wear these. Anyway, I think these will go really nice with this sweater that I'm wearing, this cardigan that I'm wearing, and I think with Indian as well as Western, so very versatile. Okay, so the next pair of earrings that I have are these green colored earrings with a little bit of marble print, I guess. Now these are my favorite out of the lot. I really like them. I think they can go again with Western or with Indian, and I think I'm gonna pair them up with some black outfit. They look really nice with a sleek ponytail. So again, the price 500 forint, double of what I just showed you. So 60 plus 60, 120 rupees. So damn cheap. And I'm being very honest here, I had seen this in the Huda City metro station in Gurgaon, the exact same earrings, and they were around 500 or 600 rupees. So you can see what a major difference we have over here. So if you are going anywhere outside India, HnM is really cheap. Make sure you visit HnM. The next one are these again yellow, black, mustard earrings. Now these one I think are my least favorite. I mean they're nice, but I don't like them that much. But I think still they can add a really nice statement to your any outfit, to your any look. That's I think the speciality of all the earrings. They add like a really nice effortless statement to your look. So again 500 forint, 120 rupees, very affordable. Okay, so the last pair of earrings I have are these golden hoops. Just simple golden hoops, nothing very special, but definitely you will look special if you wear them without anything else. I mean, just these earrings will add so much to your look. Also, you can pair these up with a neck piece, which I did again from the same brand. I have got a neck piece. It's a 3-layer neck piece. If you can see, there's a moon, half moon in the bottom layer and 2 plain layers of the chain. So this is a neck piece. I clubbed them with these hoops and they were looking really nice. Okay, so the next thing I have is a headband. It's again a yellow mustard headband. Now these kinds of headbands are really in trend. I've seen every girl wearing this. Now I also have one, and I think I'm gonna wear it right now. Even if it looks funny on me, I'm gonna wear it because I like it. And again, this was around 100-150 rupees, not more than that, definitely. Coming to the next thing I have now, among the accessories, if I had to choose one, I would always choose rings, and that's what I have next. There are 3 pair of rings. Pair of rings or just rings, I don't know what to call them, but they're really pretty. Green color, yellowish color, and a baby pink sort of color. I think they will look really nice together as well as separately. They're really, I think, classy and very edgy. Also the price, if you can see, 700 foreign, converted 0.23 into 700 is 161 rupees. So very affordable, and I think those people will know who shop from HnM how expensive they will be if you buy it from India. I really love these rings. Can't wait to wear them. Alright, the next thing I have are 2 same things. Weird. Anyways, so this is a scarf, or also you can wear it as a headband. Very soft, very silky. And also on the tag they have shown to wear it like a scarf as well as a hairband, if you can see on this side. So the price is again 500 foreign, very cheap. Normal scarf, nothing very special, but I think it's very beautiful with loads of flowers on it. And as I told you can wear it as a headband, as a scarf. I have 2 same scarves. I don't know why she got 2 same scarves. Anyways, the next thing which I have is a sling bag, green colored sling bag, very simple but very classy. So this is how it looks like. Now there is a magnet lock over here, and inside if you see there is a lot of space along with this card holder, and it comes along with this golden detailing. There's a golden chain, if you can see. Now the best thing I like about this bag is the top. The top of this chain has, if you can see, the same material as of the bag. Now if it would have been like a complete chain, it would have been really uncomfortable for me, as my hair gets stuck in this chain, or sometimes even my clothes get stuck in this chain. So this thing is really nice. I really like this thing. And so again the price is really affordable, 2500 foreign, and you can see the normal price as well, which I definitely don't understand. If you can, let me know in the comment section below what the actual price is of this bag. Now 2500 into 0.23, 600 something. So this is really affordable. Getting a sling bag from HnM at this price is a steal. And the last thing I have is the most cutest thing. It's a really tiny bag. I don't know what to call it. It's a kind of a backpack. As you can see at the back, there are 2 back straps, and also there is a keychain over here, as you can see. So I don't know if it's a backpack or a keychain. I think too big for a keychain and definitely too tiny for a backpack, but it is so cute. There is a front zip as well. You can put anything here, and inside there is a lot of space, but it's so cute. I don't know if it's useless, but it is really cute. And the price again 500 foreign. Just show you. So 500 foreign. Very cute. I have actually stored all these accessories in this bag only, so I use it for storage, but it is very cute. And this was the last thing. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on. Also let me know in the comment section below which accessory you found the best, and I'll see you in the next video.